Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday, my favorite day of the week. Today I get to share with you all the fun stuff that I have found this past week at the thrift store. So I have some fun things to share with you, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so this week I have a few things to share with you, but not a whole lot. It was a very slow week this week at the thrift stores. It was a very quick trip, just in and out sort of situation, so I didn't have a whole lot of time to shop. But I did manage to pick up a few things. And the first thing I picked up was this little figurine. It is so unlike me, but can you see that? She's so adorable. It's this little girl. She says Miss October. She's got a cute little flower in her hair and a little pink tutu dress and little ballet slippers with flowers on them. It's just so adorable. I thought it was so cute. It was 99 cents, and I don't know why. I mean, I don't collect anything like this, but this little girl just kind of like called out to me, so I had to pick it up. So I'm not sure how or where I'm going to use this, but I thought she was really cute. And then I went to another thrift store, and I found this little angel right here. How pretty is she? Oh, she's just gorgeous to me. She does have a little chip on the very tip of her one wing, but I don't care so much about that. And she was $1.99. She is a Luftons, yeah. And she's one of the birthday month angels for the month of May. And I just think she's so pretty. She's got a little basket with some pink flowers in it. And of course she's got the white dress with a little bit of gold accents around. I just thought she was so pretty. So pretty. Once again, I do not know how or where I'm going to use her, but I just thought she was really pretty. So I thought I should pick her up. Alright, so moving on to the next thing I picked up. I found a stack of plates. Surprise, surprise. These I found at Goodwill. Each plate was $1.99. I got one plate that is like the bread and butter size. And then the rest of them are this side, which is the side plate or salad plate. I'm not really sure. And there's 8 of these. And this pattern is so beautiful. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. But it's got pink flowers, then some sort of like ruffled scalloped thing in like a tan color, and then a little touch of baby blue along the edge, and then it has silver etching. So anyways, I just thought these were so gorgeous, and I think they will look so nice layered on top of either a white plate or maybe a pale pink or blue plate or a charger. I don't really know. But I did stack it on top of a white plate, and it really made the colors pop out, which I think was just gorgeous. So I'm excited to use those next time I have a fancy meal, like maybe Thanksgiving or something like that. So very excited about those. So the next item I found is super cool. I thought it was so neat. It was $10, and it is this caddy right here with these jars in them. Oh, it is so cool. I love it. The caddy itself is really heavy. It's made out of iron, and I think it is so cool. It has 4 little compartments in it, and it has this wood handle, which I thought was really cool. Very farmhouse looking, if you ask me. And this thing is heavy, so I'm going to put it down. So the jars themselves, there's 4 of them, and they look like this. I like the little etching on the corners, which is a little nice touch. And then they all come with a little tin lid, which is so sweet. So it's definitely very dirty right now. I need to clean it up, but I just thought this was really cool. I will most likely use this down in my craft area, put like crafting supplies in the jars or something like that. I'm not real sure. Or maybe I'll just like stack it somewhere and maybe put flowers in the jars. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but the sucker is heavy and I fell in love with it. So I think it looks super cool, and I cannot wait to start using it. So the next item I picked up was a tray. And it looks like this. Isn't it gorgeous? I fell in love with the color on this. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but red is like my all-time favorite color. And this is the perfect shade of red. Love it so much. So bright and cheerful. It also has like a little bit of purple in it and a little bit of tan. And then the outside, it's got this gold rim. And then on the back, it is also gold as well. And I just love it. I think the shape of it is very cool. This little oval shape. There you go. I just think it's really pretty. And I like it a lot. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as an actual tray to like put stuff on, or if I'll use it as like a backdrop with something in front of it on like my hutch or a shelf somewhere. But regardless of how I use it, I really think it is absolutely gorgeous. It does have a couple spots where it's sort of, the design's a little rubbed off a little bit, but very little, and I think it is just gorgeous. So I cannot wait to use that. I think this would be really nice in the fall with the colors, with like a white pumpkin in front of it or something. I don't know. We'll see. I use a lot of red in my house throughout the year, so I think this will come in quite handy. Alright, so the next thing I picked up was a wall sconce. It was $3.99 and I am absolutely in love with it. I wish there had been two, but there was only one, so I will have to figure out a place to put it. And it looks like this. Can you see that? Oh, it's so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I just love the details on it. And I love the finish on this. I debated about whether maybe giving it a makeover or not, but I am loving the way this color just kind of pops out on the wall color. So yeah, it's probably going to stay the way it is, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So I am just obsessed lately with wall sconces. I don't have enough walls to put all the sconces that I have on them, but it is kind of fun to change them up. And I thought this one was gorgeous. So I'm going to find the perfect place for this one. Alright, so I found another thing this week. And it is this clock. Isn't it pretty? It was $4.99. And I love clocks like these that have that traditional like mantle clock look. I think it is so cool. But I'm going to give this one a makeover and paint it in maybe a very unexpected color. So I can kind of use it as like an accent piece, but it'll still have this, you know, timeless, ageless shape. And I think it'd be really fun to do something like that with it. So I'm not sure. I'm leaning towards like something like red, or I don't know. I have a black clock. I have a blue clock. I have a glass clock. I don't have a red clock. So maybe I'll paint this sucker red. I'm not really sure. But I thought it was a nice shape. I like the timelessness of it. And I thought it would look perfect in my house after I give it a little makeover. So this was a good $5 find. Alright, so I have one more thing to share with you today. And this is another candle holder. I know, I'm like out of control. This one was $4.99. But it was on sale for 70% off. So I could justify it. And it is quite large. And it looks like this. You see that? There we go. It's just super cool. I don't know what it is about this that just like drew me in. But I like that it's got like the little tea light sizes. And I like the finish on it. It's like an antique brass kind of finish. And I just think it's cool. And look at the top. Isn't that neat? Little scallops on the top. Love that. So I'm not really sure where I'm going to use this, but I'm hoping to find a spot for it in my bedroom. Because in the evenings, I like to go in there, light a couple tea lights, and like watch a show on Netflix or something as I like kind of like wind down for the night. And with these little tea lights on there, the whole room would just be glowing and it would be so pretty. So I'm very excited about this. Yeah, I just love it so much. So it's a quite big piece. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a spot for it in my bedroom, but I'm hoping that I will. Alright, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me. I appreciate it. Let me know if you found anything from the thrift store this past week that has you excited. down in the comments. And of course, I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.